Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter, week 25, November 24th. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So that's the theme for this one. It's Thanksgiving. So let's get started. Paper is what I had. I used it. And then these are stickers that I had from Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree. It's a mixture. So it says Thanksgiving greetings, and I can't remember what it's called. Got Harvest Blessing and some words in the background and some pumpkins. I got Thankful and some cobs of corn. That's the first row. Second row, this is Blessed, and I have this wreath. Then in the center here, I got this that says Fresh Pumpkins, 25 cents. And then I got this pumpkin little flower thing. I got Happy Harvest with a turkey down here. Believe in the magic of harvest. And I have some corn. Oh, I should show you the third row, hey? And then down on the bottom, believe in the magic of harvest. It says hello fall, and then some pumpkins and cornucopia. I don't even know what that's called. That's the third row there. So let's show the whole thing. And then the back side, more playful. These are some Hobby Lobby stickers I had, and some other stickers, and some ephemera. I got the that says thankful. I got the little turkey with some sunflowers that says Happy Thanksgiving. I got a basket full of apples and then some acorns. Up here I have this little circle dude, a scarecrow down in the middle. And then a pumpkin and then cider and then of course pumpkin pie or apple pie. And then over here it says fall harvest, and I got some gourds and stuff. And then down here it says, may your blessings be many, your troubles be few, for a happy Thanksgiving and all year through. And that's what that says. And then I got bonding and a wishbone and a turkey. So I'll go like that. A real simple layout for this week. That is my Thanksgiving pocket letter. I hope you all have a safe Thanksgiving, and I will see you next week with hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letter, week 26. Christmas. Christmas. My favorite time of year is Halloween and Christmas. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving.